Theta Really token is a low-position cryptographic money at present estimated at $0.627547 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $627,547,377 in an unpretentious manner. Over the exact past genuinely couple of years, digital forms of money, including Theta token, laid out a kind of solid traction in the worldwide monetary world and really are currently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, products, and unfamiliar monetary standards, forex, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. A few institutional financial backers even especially consider crypto as a productive supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, or so they in every practical sense thought. Retail financial backers and merchants in every way that really matters are genuinely keen on digital currencies. Certainly, for example, Theta, since this in a real sense is ostensibly the most open monetary market, where various resources have the kind of potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a generally brief time frame, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. These profits by and large are in every practical sense impossible in different business sectors, which really is the justification for why most extremely moderate financial backers explicitly are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Theta token, while the groundbreaking ones explicitly commit a critical piece of their kind of money to this quickly creating resource class, which generally is genuinely huge. At this specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members brought the cost of Theta by and large token to the level at $0.627547, where it right now basically sits. As currently referenced, Theta essentially is a low-position cryptographic money, since it by possesses the 53rd spot in worldwide cryptographic money rankings, the truly metric that not set in stone, by duplicating the truly current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, or so they generally thought. On account of Theta token, the market capitalization remains at $627,547,377. The significance of this boundary will truly be really made sense of later, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Our cost expectation calculation explicitly is planned in especially such a manner that it consistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to really give our endorsers the most reliable data on the in every practical sense present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to, enough all things considered, evaluate the condition of their portfolio and basically choose whether or not it explicitly needs to generally be reconfigured, which truly is very huge. Our calculation likewise really focuses on verifiable information, which by and large is truly essential for the in every practical sense right assessment of both truly current and expected market structure, and the evaluation of its present and future bearing in an in every way that really matters, huge way. Underneath you will explicitly find key selections of this verifiable information, so you also could have a comprehension of where the Theta extremely token market certainly is going. Recently, on August 23, Theta was esteemed at $0.623355. At the turn of the two exchanging meetings in a real sense, recollect that cryptographic forms of money in a real sense are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m., in opposition to mainstream thinking. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period, explicitly added up to 1.15% in an exceptionally enormous manner. 7 days prior, on August 17, Theta fundamentally token by and large was exchanged at $0.675716 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that generally near its certainly present position, which generally is very huge. On July 24, which was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Theta at $0.785250, the cost level that explicitly is at the distance of 20.08% from where it right now sort of stands in a huge manner. The cost of Theta and the readings of CVIX truly are not by any means the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost forecasts, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Market capitalization by and large is another significant really metric that generally helps brokers sort of decide the notoriety of the cryptographic money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities. It's additionally used to generally evaluate the offer that Theta in every practical sense token basically holds inside the in every practical sense hold digital currency market. The recipe for the estimation of market capitalization sort of is fairly basic. The flowing stock of the cash being referred to for the most part is duplicated by its ongoing cost in a huge manner. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of Theta explicitly remains at $627,547,377, enough to name it the 53rd, scarcely the biggest coin on the cryptographic money market. Or so the in every way that really matters thought. Recently, on August 23rd, the market capitalization of Theta in every practical sense, token in every way that really matters, remained at $623,354,567, exhibiting how few institutional financial backers even truly consider crypto as an effective supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. 7 days prior, on August 17th, the capitalization of Theta for the most part was $675,715,956. A month prior, on July 24th, how much beautiful capital streaming around this by and large specific market, especially added up to $785,249,553, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Most cryptographic money financial backers in every practical sense stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a kind of specific digital currency and its capacity to explicitly endure disturbances, which generally are the fundamentally normal event on this profoundly unpredictable market, which basically is genuinely critical. The fundamentally greatest stock of Theta pretty token is 100,000,000,000 Theta. The sort of all-out supply of Theta as of now in a real sense remains at 100,000,000,000 coins, which especially is very critical. The flowing stockpile of the digital currency under survey explicitly is 100,000,000,000 Theta in an unobtrusive manner. This Theta extremely token cost expectation wouldn't explicitly be somewhat finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the measurement utilized by practically all digital money dealers to generally affirm the strength of the pattern and the feasibility of a market move in an unpretentious manner. For example, assuming the breakout to the potential gain fundamentally is happening on the rear of the genuinely low exchanging volume, there generally is a high likelihood that this move for the most part is unreasonable and would basically bring about a bullish snare. Hence, it's vital to for the most part examine the very past and the essentially current exchanging volume of Theta request to comprehend whether this market has a basic strength, or so they truly thought. Over the exact beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume on the Theta kind of symbolic market in a real sense was enlisted at $8.096,118, which explicitly